website, different web page to buy coffee beans for the coffee machine we just went. I'm doing this all in the same web page for now because it's easier. But okay, I want to buy these coffee beans, but they're a bit too expensive. So if I go to my Horizon extension, I can see that since I spent $10 on a product that has a tag coffee and machine, I'm eligible for this discount, which gives me 30% off. Oh, actually, it should be 20, but anyways, gives me a discount for the coffee grinder. Oh, so if I apply that, oh wait, this is the wrong, this is the wrong deal. I'm so sorry. It was meant to show this one.
Just as a quick parenthesis, while we fix that, we just saw a chart today. Me and Rodrigo saw a chart today. Rodrigo shared it in our Slack, and it was a chart of coffee price. You'd be you'd be surprised by how much coffee price has increased. It looks like the Bitcoin chart, man. Good investment.
Really good investment. So sorry for this little mistake.
No worries, you still got 2 minutes and a half.
Okay, let me just build the extension. This takes a while, but anyways, the point for this was to really make personalized discounts for everyone. So this doesn't just apply for coffee. If you buy a PC part, it can give you discounts for other PC parts or a PC case. And since this is all on the request network, it's it's decentralized for one, and everything is integrated within the request network. And to add on top of that, in case people want to make it more private, I wanted to add a feature where it would use the private key encryption and decryption to store your details and to show your details. So that way you wouldn't necessarily have to have this in public. But okay, well, this isn't working for some reason. Oh shoot. Okay, well, this is okay. Well, this isn't working properly, but you see I clicked apply, and instead it was meant to be this one, but well, it applied the discount here, and I don't know if it works on this one. Yeah, it does. $7. It gave you a 30% discount, and you can actually get the discount here. You pay for it and you get the discount. But sorry, there's still a lot of debugging I have to do. I have to make the presentation, all that. I'm a single person team, so this is a bit a lot. But anyways, that's my product. I hope you guys enjoyed the demo.
That was right on time. Thank you, Leo. David, Rodrigo, do you have any questions?
Two questions. First one is, are you able to successfully make a payment and then create the request?
Yes. I use the payment part is done by the websites. I was initially thinking about making a wallet so that all the payments are done within the extension, but that was way over the scope of this hackathon because I don't have time, and since it's just me, it's really hard to do. So I decided to quote rely on the e-commerce store to use request network as the payment method.
Got it. Okay. And my other question was your workaround to display the item description. Why did you? I'm assuming you created separate fields, right?
Yes.
For storing those things. Did you consider putting that information in the line items section of the content data?
Since I'm using the payment widget on the website, on the example mock website, there was I didn't see any parameter for the notes thingy or the contents part of the requests structure. So I did add, and also for the image or for the other details, I wanted to access the files on IPFS, but I saw that I had to host my own IPFS or my own node or something. So that was a bit complicated. So I just decided to leave it for the hackathon. But if I was ever to work more on this, I would definitely do the other options that I thought of.
I see. Okay. Thanks. I think that's all my questions.
Thank you.
Rodrigo, do you have any questions? I think not.
I'm good. I'm good. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you, Leo.
Well, thank you guys
Now
very much.
we will go to Rahul. Are you around?
Yeah, hi, Alex.
Hi, Rahul. Welcome.
Hello, everyone.
So you
sharing
know the rule. 5 minutes.
Yep,
Show us what you got, where you want to go with this. If it doesn't work, just describe it.
yeah, sure.
See? Yeah,
Yeah.
you can see your screen. Works fine. Thank you.
Okay. So my project is compensate. So in today's world, payroll management is burdened with complexities that can stifle an organization's efficiency. Companies face a facade of issues, from maintaining accurate records to navigating the hefty cost and time demands of traditional audits that inadvertently risk employee privacy. Cross-border payments add another layer of complexity with processes that drag on, sometimes taking up to 2 weeks to clear through SWIFT. In regions under restrictive governance, payroll records tied to traditional banking systems are susceptible to government scrutiny, eroding the privacy of both employees and employers. So, welcome to Compensate. Compensate is a blockchain-powered payroll system with which payroll is transformed with three essential pillars: fairness, leveraging the power of smart contracts, employers can ensure employees are paid precisely and promptly, calculated to a last detail without delay. Speed, Ethereum transactions are instantaneous, processing within seconds, no matter where in the world employees or employers are. And security. Through ZK verification, Compensate securely verifies each employee on chain without exposing sensitive data to the public. Transactions are encrypted, safeguarding every interaction between employer and employee. The future of payroll when compensation flows in cryptocurrency. Compensate enables a global workforce, letting employers and employees connect without compromising privacy, requiring no public on-chain data. Our service is elegant, lightning fast, and polished. Everything you would expect from a sophisticated payroll solution. And payroll mechanism is an ever-growing market with a market capitalization of $7.5 billion. And we at Compensate wish to make a dent in that market. We are powered by Sepolia, Request Network, Next.js, and the Graph. So let's take a look at the demo. This is the landing page for Compensate. And the landing page, you can see all the features that Compensate will provide. There are two pages mainly, one for the employee, another is employer. Let's head over to the employee page. Let's log in with this account. Here you can see the employee data, the employee name, the address, the role of the employee, and the salary per day. It's in USDC. In this account, for now we have only 3 USDC. Let's raise a request for from the employee to get paid. A request is raised. Now let us head over to the employer portal. So this is the employer portal. Here you can see the employer's organization name, number of employees. This is the employee that we saw in the employee portal with the title and name. Now we can pay the employee from the request that was generated by the employee. Excuse me, because I'm
No
a
worries.
little bit sick. The payment is approved. And yeah, the transfer is done. There were 25 USDC. If we check this account, previously there were only 3 USDC. Now there are 4 USDC. So this is it. This is the working of the payroll system. And other than that, for future scope, I would like to integrate the DApp with other applications, provide more features, add more dashboards, so that the employer and employee can analyze their finances and create AI-powered payroll insights. Thank you.
Got you.
That's
Thank
it.
you, Rahul. Appreciate you. David, Rodrigo, do you have any questions?
Yeah, I have a quick question. So, did you consider enabling a feature where the employer would actually drive the interaction? Like where they would, set
Not
the
yet, because
the salary of the employee, and then
so yes,
something like that.
while adding an employee, the employer can. Am I audible?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. So while adding an employee from the employer portal, the employer can, of course, set the salary which he would pay the employee, and that's decided per day, like how much he would pay the employee on a day. Suppose it's 1 USD. I've created a contract which basically calculates if 25 days has passed, so how much should be the salary that the employee should receive, and that value is taken when the employee raises a request. So the amount is calculated, and whenever the employee wants to get paid, he can just raise a request, and the employer can come back and accept the request. This is, I would say, more efficient because it depends on the employees. Whenever each individual employees want to get paid in a month, so it's not on the employer to go in and approve everyone's payment at once.
I see.
He can do
Okay,
it in
thank
a
you so much for
span of
for explaining that.
Yeah.
Cool. Any more questions? Rodrigo, David, that's it?
I'm good. Thanks.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys. I hope that you included the, well, Rahul, I hope you included your presentation and the slides and or a link to the slides in the submission. Leo, if you haven't, if you want to still, include the presentation or something, go ahead. We do have this recording, but if you want to add something else that you maybe, build over the weekend, go for it. And that's about it, I think, for today. Tomorrow it's going to be a much more busier day with a lot more demos. And we will be starting at 10 o'clock in the morning UTC time. That's 11 in the morning for people in Central Europe. It's going to be like 6 o'clock in the morning for Eastern US. So David's going to be sleeping. We will have other people helping us, other people from the engineering team to help us. And yeah, looking forward to tomorrow's session. And thank you, DoraHacks, for hosting us.
Thanks a lot, everyone, for tuning in, and thanks a lot to the entire Request team. And yeah, super excited and pumped for tomorrow's session. And I'll see you tomorrow. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye, guys.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.
Everyone.
Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.